Welcome back, YouTube. How you doing? Today we're just going to do an oil change on this 2015 Turbo Golf wagon. That's a diesel version though, not the gas. And so I'll show you how to do all that and save you some time and money going to the dealer. So let's get to it. Pop the hood, loosen the oil cap so when you're draining it, air can go in. We need to take the skid plate off. Back here we got T45 torque spits. You got 1, 2, 3. Around this skid plate you're gonna have a bunch of T25 torque spit screws going all the way around. Take those off, and then this piece, just set it off to the side on the floor. Use a 19mm on the drain plug, 19, and a drain pan, and just drain out all the oil. And you're gonna wait until it stops pouring out and it drips very, very, very slowly, and then you're done. You're gonna push down on top of this connector now, unplug this wire, and then under here you're gonna pop with a panel popper. You're gonna pop this out of here, this little bracket, and then between those two wires being out of the way, we can now get to the oil filter housing right here. To get the oil filter housing off, it's a 32mm. Grab the bottom and then just righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. All right, here's the filter you're gonna use. Wicks, get these at O'Reilly's, WL10056. So with the filter, you're gonna get 2 O-rings, a little one and a big one. The big one goes right here. The little one is actually for this plug on the center. If you didn't take this out, which I don't, there's no reason to take this out. It's pretty dumb, German engineering. But the little O-ring is to seal this inner piece to the outer piece. So take your 32mm and go ahead and torque this down. It says 25 Newton meters, so you can do that. Translate that into normal American numbers, into torque, foot-pounds. And then tighten that up. Then we're gonna plug this back in the bracket, and then take this connector, plug this connector back in to here. We drained the oil, put the plug back in, tightened it up, put the new filter, new O-ring, tightened all this back up, plugged it all back together. So now we're done under the car. Go ahead and reinstall the skid plate. So this car is going to take 5W30 standard engine oil, not diesel oil. It actually surprised me, but anyways, it's going to take 6 full quarts. So just put a funnel there, dump in your first 5 quarts. So the oil is halfway into the checkered mark with just the 5 quarts. So now we're going to start it, get oil into the oil filter. So you let it run for about 15 seconds and then shut it off, and then we'll top off the engine based on the dipstick after it's ran. To make it look right on the dipstick, just put all 6 quarts in, and then just check it if you want anyways, but you should be able to feel safe knowing that if you just toss all 6 in, it's going to be perfect. Thanks for coming and checking out another Fat Guy Builds. Hopefully this helped you out. No reason to pay somebody to do this. You know, just get under the car, do it yourself. Don't be a lazy bum. Check me out on Patreon. Hit like, subscribe, whatever you want. And I'll see you next time. Wrench on.